When you go through a bad string of trades, we all do. Here's the first thing you need to do. For me, number one, you don't try to get back your losses. Okay, that's the biggest mistake anybody does. Because what happens is you open up your account and you look and see how much you're down from whatever time frame, and then you start saying to yourself, okay, I need to gain all of this back. So what do you automatically do? You put more capital into higher risker trades, thinking, well, just a couple of these trades and I'll be back to even, and then I'll change what I do and be smarter. And the cycle repeats itself. Have you noticed how all of those TikTok, Twitter, and all those stock geniuses and stuff have all disappeared the last 3 months? Everyone is a genius in a bull market, okay? I'm not a genius in a bull market or a bear market. I'm just some dude who sticks to my personal shit. I didn't get to be able to have my rules that I sometimes break and discipline and everything like that just because I just started doing it. No, I lost a lot. Well, so here's what I want you to understand. And this is what I do every day when I open my brokerage, my trading account. I look at today. I don't open up past week performance. I don't open up past month performance. What I have today is my account, and I'm going to grow what I have. I'm not going to get that money. The money's gone. Think of it like a relationship, okay? As somebody who went through this personally, you get dumped, what are you going to do? Spend the next 6 months in depression trying to get that person back? Kristen's not coming back. That MySpace photo of her on the back of that dude's motorcycle up in the mountains in Albuquerque, yeah, he fucked her on that, okay? She's not coming back, all right? Go out there and find something that is worth it, all right? Stop spending all that time trying to get back something that's gone. It's gone, okay? You start fresh every day. That's what you have. You don't change up your strategy because of what happened the day before. No, that day's gone. You don't get it back. That money's gone. You're not going to get it back. Matter of fact, you didn't have any money yesterday. This is what you have. Focus on it. I know it's hard to do that. And I'm going to be honest with you. You're not going to make that change overnight. There's nothing like being down 35% because you got caught up in things and then you got this and that. And now you're like, well, I got to make X, Y, Z to get that back. No. You're just going to give it up more. If you're down from $50,000 to $33,000, you're not trying to get $17,000 to get back to even. No, you're trying to grow your capital. You have $33,000. Stick to your strategy. And the mistakes you made in this time frame, if you learn from them, they're investments. You're not going to make those mistakes again. So now, instead of this going to this, okay? The past is gone. The future isn't here. This is what you have. Just focus on it. Yeah, but I got to make 50% in the next 3 months to get back to even. No, you don't. You focus on what you got. Because let me tell you something. Ain't quite much like once, twice, 3 times a week, sitting at your computer, staring at charts, just being like, why are people selling? Please stop buying. Fuck, I wish I didn't do that. I won't make that mistake again. Next day, make the same fucking mistake again. God damn it, if I just stopped making those same mistakes, I'd have $33,000 instead of $5,000. I wish I would have stopped making those mistakes when I fell to here. Okay, you didn't. Now you're here. Are you going to keep doing it until you're here? You have to have a short memory in this industry. I know a lot of you are in this picture and you don't like it. As somebody who's been through this ringer a lot of times in the past, it ain't gonna get any better. You move on. You start fresh. What happened yesterday is in the past. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Focus on today. Focus on your strategy. Because you know what? 10 years from now, if that 33,000 is only 50,000, you might say, Stocky, that sucks. I'm not talking about your investing. I'm talking about your active trading. Stocky, that just puts me back where I was yesterday or last week. True. But I want you to think about making that same mistake and recharging that account. And in 10 years, would you rather be down 215,000 or up 50,000? Big difference. You look a little worn out, fam. Yeah, I'm tired. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Little life advice for you, my friend, in case you ever deal with people in real world. Never make a comment about somebody unless it's something they can fix on the spot. Like if you say somebody, man, your hair looks like shit today. Okay, they can go fix that. That shirt looks bad on you. That's fine. Hey, you look like shit today. Not a good comment because they're probably tired or going through something and there's nothing they can do about it in the moment. Just throwing it out there. All right, back to what I was saying. Scale down. What I do when I have bad weeks in options trading is I will scale down the amount that I give myself as an allowance to play by 50%. You just basically lower your bankroll to get your confidence back and to get you back in your groove, right? Why did you lose so much money playing options? Because you were trying to get rich quick. And what do we all know? If you try to get rich quick, you're going to get broke quick. Sure, you might hit a couple big winners, and you're like, that's all I need and I'll be done. No, you won't. You come back to the casino. The casino always wins. They know you're going to come back. You're going to give it all away. So what was your big mistakes? You were over leveraging on high risk. I guarantee you, without even knowing anything about you, you were over leveraging on high risk because in your mind, you saw other people doing it or you missed out on a play and said, God, if I just would have done this, I would have had so much more money. Next time I'll make sure that I don't make that mistake again. And that's the one that you get a tweet or a Russian thing or Powell says something. So you know what you do? Lower your exposure and lower your risk. So instead of putting $5,000 on a weekly, you take $2,500 and put it on a monthly. Okay?